Good morning children, welcome to mathematics class. What we have discussed in the previous class, that one just we will recall it and then we will go for next things. Okay, once again I will show you, explain the things which I have shown previous classes. Okay, in our previous class we learned about the numbers, number names, places, place values, okay, and ordinal numbers. Before number, after number, between number, how to put greater than, less than and equal to sign. Okay, once I will repeat and then we will go for ordinal numbers. Okay, 25. This is one number. Okay, I'll take one example and I'll explain it. 25. How many digit it is? 1 and 2. 2 digit. Yes. So what are all the places these are lies in? This is ones place and this is tens place. Okay, ones and tens. What is the number name of it? Places I told. This is 2-digit number, 5 and 2. Always we will read the places from right to the left. So this is ones place, 5 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. So write the number name of it. What is the number name? 25. First letter should be capital. TWENTY. Then here leave some space. Then 5. 25. Then we discussed about addition or writing before number, after number. Same example I will take 25. So what is the just after number of 25? After 25 what will come? 26. After 26, 27. So just before number of 25. Before 25, what we will read? Before 25. 25 ಕಿನ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? 24. What is the just before number of 24? That is 23. What is the between number of 23 and 25? 23 and 25. Between number is 23. Yes. Next we discussed about greater than, less than and equal to sign. 35, 29, 63, 36, 16, 16, 25, 52. Okay. Now see this. You should compare the numbers. 2 digit, 2 digit. First see tens place, tens place. 3 and 2. Which is big? 3 is big. So 32, 35 is greater than 29. So you should write symbol like this. Which side big number? That side it should be open. Now 35 is big. So here open. 29 is small. Here closed. Okay. 63, 36. So which is big? 63 is big. So this side it should be open. 16, 16. Which is big? 16, 16. So both are equal. So put equal to sign. 25, 52. Which is big? Here 2 digit, 2 digit. See ones place. Sorry, tens place. 2 and 5. Which is big? 5 is big. So 52 is greater than 25. So this side 52 is big. So this side open, this side close. So So this is how to write the greater than, less than, equal to sign. Next, yesterday we discussed about ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. Sometimes in our daily life, in our applied life, what will happen? Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, to explain the position of things or a persons, we will use some words. Those are known as ordinal numbers. For example, Geeta stood first rank in her class. So which position is she? She got first rank. Okay. There is a queue in front of the shop. Okay. Sita stood third place in the queue. So third place will explain the position of Geeta. Yes. So like this in our daily life we will use many words like first, second, third, 20th. I am studying in 6th class. So 6th is the word of ordinal number. You all are studying in first standard. So position is first. So these numbers are known as ordinal numbers. So you have to by heart the spellings of ordinal numbers. Already you are perfect ONE 1 to 100, and these also you can do because these are similar to that, just you should do some suffixes. I will show you. Yesterday I have shown. Once again I am showing you. Just see. First, F-I-R-S-T, first. The representation of it, the symbol of first is 1ST. Second, S-E-C-O-N-D, second. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. The symbol is 2-N-D. Third, T-H-I-R-D. Third. 3-R-D, third. 4, you know the spelling of 4. After this you should write T-H. That is fourth. F-O-U-R, T-H you should add to this. Then this is fourth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. Sixth spelling you know, 6, then T-H, sixth. Okay. Then S-E-V-E-N, 7 spelling. Then you write T-H. This will become 7th. Then 8th. E-I-G-H-T. You know E-I-G-H-T. Just you write H after this. This will become 8th. Then 9. N-I-N-E. N-I-N-E. 9 spelling you know. Then write T-H. That is 9th. 10th. T-E-N. T-H. 10th. T-E-N. T-H. 10th. These are all the ordinal numbers. Again and again I am telling you, by heart tables 2 to 20. Okay, more than that also if you do, you are the genius in tables. Like Pratik Mang and Kushi Chipalkatti. You know Kushi Chipalkatti is also perfect up to 28 tables. She is in your class only, and she is your friend. Pratik Mang and Kushi Chipilkatti both have by-hatted up to 30 tables. So next, whose name I have to take? You have to decide it. If you by-hat 2 to 30 tables, definitely I will tell you your name in the video class. As well as when school will start, I'll give you gift for you. Okay? This is my promise to you all, that in first standard who will by-hat 2 to 30 tables, I will give them gift when school will start. Okay? In assembly, in prayer assembly, principal sir will give you gift. Okay? That I will supply. Okay? So by-hat 2 to 30 tables. So 2 to 20 is mandatory for first standard. If you do up to 30, then you will be the genius in tables. Okay? We will call like that only. Yeah? By-hat 2 to 20 tables. Then now present work is to by-hat ordinal numbers spellings. What are those? F-I-R-S-T first. S-E-C-O-N-D second. T-H-I-R-D third. F-O-U-R-T-H fourth. F-I-F-T-H fifth. S-I-X-T-H sixth. S-E-V-E-N-T-H seventh. E-I-G-H-T-H eighth. N-I-N-E-T-H ninth. T-E-N-T-H 10th. Okay, now let's open your textbook. So, yesterday we have read short forms of ordinal numbers. That only I have written here. These are the short forms of ordinal numbers. Then we have matched page number 211. We matched some persons with the positions of the ordinal numbers. Now I know we can group things into tens and extra ones. Numeral names and recognition. Comparison of numbers up to 20. A 2-digit number is always greater than 1-digit number. Ordinal numbers defines the position of something. Now let's practice. Write in 10 and 1's place. Let us practice page number 212. First question. 30 is equal to a box 10 and ones. I told you already, if a 2-digit number, this is in ones, this is tens. Ones, tens, ones, tens. Always start from the right to the left. This is ones, this is tens. Suppose 3-digit number, extra I will tell you. Okay? If 3-digit, this is 2-digit. If 1-digit, this is only ones, no tens and nothing. This is ones place. Now 2-digit means ones, tens. 3-digit means ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. You remember this. Ones, tens, 100. Tell 10 times like this. Ones, tens, 100. 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 One, tens, 100. So tell like this 10 times, then it will be perfect for you. 18, 11, 17, 10. Now only 2-digit. So what are all the places? 1, 10. 1, 10. Ones, tens. So ones, tens. Ones, tens. So 1/10. So write from the right to left, 8 ones and 1/10. Again 1 ones and 1/10. 7 ones and 1/10. 7 ones and 1/10. So write this in your textbook. Write the numerals for the given number names. Number names they have given, you should write the number or numeral. Write the following numbers in ascending order. You know what is ascending? Forgot? No, you will not forget. Yeah? What is ascending? Ascending. So you should write the numbers from small to big. That is ascending. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write in ascending. First small number you should write. Which is very small in 1, 2, 3, 4? 1 is very small. So write 1, then 2, 3, 4. What is descending? Descending means writing from big number to small number. Yes? Big number to small number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is big? 4 is big. So write 4 first. Then how many remains? 1, 2, 3. Which is big? 3. So after 4 you should write 3. Then 2. Then 1. So ascending means writing numbers from small to big. Descending numbers, writing numbers big to small. So question number 2, 3, 4 you write in your textbook. In the next class, I will write these answers in the online class. You should compare your answer with my answer. Then you will be perfect. Okay, every day seeing from the board and copying. No, it's not good. So first you only try now. You only write all. Let us practice page number 212. All answers you write today. Okay. Tomorrow I will write on the board. So compare your answers with my answers. Okay. Thank you.